Want privacy on your iPhone without paying? Here's how to get a free VPN with no hidden limits. Legit and secure. Step 1. Go to the App Store and search for trusted VPNs with truly free plans. Good picks include Proton VPN, Atlas VPN, or Windscribe. Step 2. Download the app and create a free account. No credit card needed for most of these. Step 3. Choose a free server location. Proton VPN, for example, offers unlimited bandwidth on select countries. Step 4. Tap Connect and allow the VPN profile to install. This secures your iPhone traffic across all apps. Step 5. Use it smartly. Free plans may limit speed or server options, but they're perfect for browsing, streaming, and Wi-Fi protection. Bonus tip: avoid unknown VPN apps. Stick to those with transparent privacy policies and no shady logging. Stay private, stay protected, and do it all for free on iPhone.